Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of DuckDuck app or DuckDuckGo app. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.